The first question is, what is used to make hummus? The correct answer is B, chickpeas. Question 2. What Kentucky town sits on an $11 billion gold mine? The correct answer is D, Fort Knox. Question 3. Which works of art are based on animal shapes? The correct answer is A, zoomorphic. Question 4. Despite their name, turkeys are not from Turkey, but what continent? The correct answer is B, North America. Question 5. In which century was the American Revolution? The correct answer is D, 18th. Question 6. What was the name of Odin's hall in Norse mythology? The correct answer is D, Valhalla. Question 7. Which disputed islands are called Malvinas in Spanish? The correct answer is B, Falklands. Question 8. What cereal features mostly famous athletes on the front of its box? The correct answer is D, Wheaties. Question 9. What was the name of Fidel Castro's brother, who took over as Cuban leader in 2006? The correct answer is D, Raul. And the last question is, Harry Truman authorized an airlift to supply which city in 1948? The correct answer is A, Berlin. I hope you enjoyed this quiz and make sure to share your score in the comments.
Please subscribe and press the bell to get notified about our newest quizzes.